里有白醋的注意了，这些小技巧很多人都不知道。一、裤子掉色怎么办？不要扔，衣服放入盆中，倒入啤酒、食盐、白醋，加入清水浸泡10分钟，这样衣服就永不掉色。二、衣服上有油渍怎么办？倒上少许食盐，再倒入白醋洗洁精，用手轻轻揉搓2分钟，再用清水清洗，干净如新。三、衣物混洗，食盐加白醋，有效防止串色。四、口香糖粘到衣服上怎么办？倒上少许白醋，让它静止2分钟，用手轻轻一拨，效果明显。五、衣物沾上水晶泥怎么办？首先倒2勺白醋，让它静止1分钟，再倒入一点食用盐，揉搓1分钟，最后放入热水中揉搓2分钟，水晶泥轻松去除。六、衣服染色怎么办？切2块肥皂放入锅中，再加入食用碱，水烧开关火，衣服放入锅中，不停翻动，5分钟之后捞出，清洗晾晒，恢复如新。关注我，学会更多生活小技巧。居家生活小技巧，学到就是赚到。一、水龙头堵了拧不下来，你像我这样做，很容易就拧下来了，非常简单。二、以前的我一拿一大包，现在的我拿一个皮筋或者发圈套住，再也不用担心扯多了。三、一次性手套，用之前先像这样收个腰，戴上就是这种收口的感觉，做手膜、做家务都不容易掉。四、用完的蚊香液不要扔，自己制作成本只要几毛钱。准备2粒维生素 B， 把它碾碎倒入瓶中，它的气味是蚊子非常讨厌的。来点花露水，再来点清水，给它摇晃均匀，电蚊香液就制作好了，和买的蚊香液一样好用。五、绳子穿过钥匙和钥匙扣，取另一端，绳子穿过钥匙，调整绳子，再取一根吸管长的线头，绕吸管5圈就可以。线头穿进吸管，取出吸管，收紧绳子就可以。最后剪掉线头，打火机烫平，喜欢的先收藏起来，以后慢慢学。关注我，学会更多生活小技巧。
Welcome to Clean in 15, where we take 15 minutes a day to reset areas of our home so it doesn't build up for the weekend. If you have a partner or a flatmate to help you out, you can get half an hour's worth of cleaning done every single day. If you're a procrastinator like me, setting a timer can help motivate us, as sometimes things may look like a big task but only actually take a few minutes to get done. I empty the dishwasher every morning so that I can load and run it every night, and I buy dishwasher safe items to reduce how much I need to hand wash. Once everything is wiped down, I light a candle to mark the rooms as complete. Will you try a clean in 15? Let's test out Dyson's very first dedicated wet floor cleaner, the Wash G1. It properly separates dirty and clean water, so you're always washing your floors with clean water. I always thought buckets and mops just smeared dirty water around your floors, and this confirms it. Look at what it's picked up from my apparently clean floors. My kids made a mess at breakfast this morning, so it was a good test area, and I was impressed at how fast it picked up both wet and dry mess, and then it separates them to make cleaning the machine a breeze. It also has a self-cleaning function where it cleans inside all the tubes and rollers after each wash. Just look at all that dirty water. What should I test it on next? Sheet folding hack is a game changer. Lay your fitted sheet down, then take the bottom 2 corners, flip them and place them into the top 2 corners until you have a rectangle. Then bring in the long sides and fold in the short. Then fold your flat sheet into a rectangle about the same size as the fitted sheet. Now here's the trick. Place your sheet set into an inside-out pillowcase, fold it in half and use the pillowcase flap to secure the bundle tightly. Hacks to make your clothes look new again. Prevent clothes from fading by adding half a cup of salt to the drum of your usual wash. Remove sunscreen and sweat stains with half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. And remove wrinkles without ironing by adding damp dryer balls to your dryer. Hacks to keep bugs and spiders away from your home. Add peppermint oil before washing floors and cupboards to repel crawling insects. And don't forget to clean under your fridge and dishwasher to repel bugs and rodents. Make bay leaf and clove scent bags to repel moths from your wardrobe. Place cinnamon oil or cinnamon sticks at entry points to deter ants from your home. And eliminate fruit flies with apple cider vinegar and dish soap traps. Hacks that will change the way you clean your stovetop. Use a pumice stone to remove built-up grease on cast iron grates. Mix 1 cup of baking soda and a 1/4 cup of dish soap to clean tough, burnt-on marks on your burners. And this powerful mix also rids tough grease on your stovetop and leaves it shining.
Cutie the bomb, met her at a Vegas salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Fars girls, you got a flock, I can tell by your charm and your arm. But I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have an ass.
scrubbing oven racks, this trick is for you. Lay an old towel down in your bathtub and soak your oven racks in hot water. Add 1 scoop of natural laundry powder and leave it overnight to work its magic. In the morning, the burnt-on mess just flakes right off and you're left with shiny keep bugs and spiders away from your home. Place peppermint oil on cotton balls and put them under your bin liner to repel bugs. And you can also place these in your vacuum to make your home smell like peppermint. Repel ants from your home using rosemary infused water. Pour boiling water down your drains to keep fruit flies away. And spiders hate citrus, so wipe down your walls and floors with citrus oil or citrus peels.
5星级大厨不会告诉你的蔬菜快速切法： 1. 葱丝 2. 丝瓜 3. 香菇 4. 尖椒 5. 豆腐 6. 角瓜 7. 黄瓜 8. 娃娃菜 没学会的点赞收藏，以后想学的时候边看边学。家里来客人，水果这样切，客人惊掉下巴。1. 西瓜 2. 猕猴桃，直接去掉两头的屁屁，在皮上划一刀，用勺子旋转一圈，脱掉它的外皮，猕猴桃就整颗剥出来了。3. 牛油果，给它对半劈开，去掉果核，用勺子挖出果肉。4. 火龙果，先把它剃个光头，给它屁屁来一刀，皮上切几刀，把皮剥开，竖着切成1厘米乘1厘米的小方块，一刀一刀偏下来就好了。5. 芒果，沿河切开，准备一个马克杯，芒果沿着马克杯将果肉刮下来，得到了2块完整的芒果肉。6. 菠萝，头尾各切一刀，沿着皮切一刀，扣过来，横切几刀，顺切几刀，拿着吃别有多爽。7. 橙子，去掉两头屁屁，中间切一刀，顺过来，再切2刀，再把整个对半打开，这样就不用担心蹭到女朋友脸上的粉了。8. 石榴头上切一个正方形的口，切掉它的花盖头，沿着筋膜往下划一刀，去掉头上的结，把每一半都扒拉开，撕掉筋膜，倒扣在大碗上，疯狂的敲打腿上没有打下来的，可以捏起来打一顿，超级干净。关注我，学会更多小技巧。活了30年才知道，原来煮鸡蛋也是有学问的，看看你中招了没？很多人都是水开煮鸡蛋，怕鸡蛋不熟煮很久，这样煮出来的鸡蛋表面是呈绿色的，这是硫化铁，非常不好消化，有可能会造成肠炎。正确的做法是冷水加盐，放蛋煮8分钟，关火焖5分钟，捞出泡冷水，这样煮出的鸡蛋表面是呈黄色的，吃起来更健康。2. 水开先烫一下勺子，均匀刷上油，打一个鸡蛋，保持不动，一直到蛋白凝固，轻轻放入水中，又圆又嫩的荷包蛋完成。3. 夏天大米容易生虫怎么办？取2片生姜加2个八角，用纸巾包好埋在大米里，这2样具有独特的气味，能够防止大米生虫。4. 家里炸东西剩下的油怎么办？1勺淀粉1勺水，搅拌均匀，6成油温下锅炸，让淀粉充分吸取油内杂质，炸至淀粉凝固，捞出即可。快看油是不是变清澈了？5. 啥是淀粉，啥是生粉，您分得清吗？今天10秒教会您，要想汤汁变浓稠，土豆生粉来勾芡；要想肉汁变嫩滑，玉米淀粉来挂糊；要是油炸做的脆，红薯淀粉是关键；要想甜品做得好，木薯淀粉是基本；想要凉皮劲道好，小麦淀粉不可少。你记住了吗？关注我，学会更多生活小技巧。过期的护发素不要丢，它还有大用处。1. 护发素挤在抹布上，擦拭皮鞋，就像打过蜡一样亮，擦完之后鞋面还不容易沾灰。2. 护发素加洗衣粉加清水，沾取溶液擦拭皮衣，比干洗店洗的还干净，不会损伤皮面。3. 护发素加洗衣液加清水，喷在衣服上，晾干之后，冬天再也不会起静电了。4. 碗中加入洗洁精和护发素，倒入清水，搅拌均匀，擦拭家具，干干净净，不起静电还不沾灰。5. 护发素加牙膏加清水，摇一摇，小孩在墙上乱写乱画，喷一喷，擦一擦，干干净净。6. 护发素加洗洁精加清水，摇晃均匀，喷洒在吸油烟机上，轻轻一擦，洁净如新，下次再沾上油污，擦起来不费劲。7. 温水中加上护发素，擦拭地板干净明亮，还不沾灰。关注我，学习更多生活小技巧。过期的啤酒不要丢，它还有大妙用。1. 啤酒加上小苏打，油渍一滴不留下。2. 啤酒加上洗洁精，搅拌均匀，把茶锈的杯子放在水里渗泡几分钟，再晃一晃，杯子干干净净。3. 啤酒加白醋，喷在冰箱污渍处，轻轻一擦，干干净净。4. 啤酒加食盐，喷在玻璃上，玻璃明亮，一望千里。5. 衣服掉色，食盐加啤酒，起到衣服柔顺，永不褪色。6. 碗中加入牙膏和啤酒，搅拌均匀，倒入喷壶，小孩子在墙上乱写乱画，喷一喷，再擦一擦，就干干净净。7. 啤酒加蛋清，不锈钢也冒星星。8. 茶叶泡上小啤酒，马桶异味都没有。9. 小苏打加啤酒，搅拌均匀，倒进下水道，有效去除异味和小黑虫。关注我，学会更多生活小妙招。